In this video, I'll show you how to add your Presto card to your Apple Wallet. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Once it's open, look in the top right corner and tap the plus icon to add a new card. On the next screen, you'll see a few options for adding items to your wallet. Tap the one that says Add to Wallet. From there, choose Travel Card or Transit Card, depending on what your screen shows. This will take you to a list of available transit cards. The Presto card should appear by default, but if you don't see it right away, just use the search bar at the top and type Presto. It should show up under the Canada section. Tap on Presto, and you'll be taken to a new screen explaining that you can use your Presto card for trains and buses directly with your iPhone or Apple Watch. It also mentions that you can add money to your card anytime, anywhere, without needing to visit a machine or kiosk. Now, tap Continue at the bottom of the screen to move forward. You'll be asked to select how much money you want to load onto your Presto card. You can choose one of the preset amounts like $10, $25, or $50, or you can enter your own custom amount by tapping the box and typing it in. Once you've entered the amount, double-check that everything looks correct. Then, go to the top right corner and tap Add. After that, you'll see the Terms and Conditions screen. Scroll down, review the details, and tap Agree at the bottom to continue. Your iPhone will now contact the Presto system and begin setting up your card. This may take a few moments, depending on your connection. Once it's done, your new Presto card will appear inside your Apple Wallet, fully loaded and ready to use. From here, you can use your Presto card to tap in and out at supported train stations or buses using just your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can also easily reload your balance later directly through the Wallet app whenever you need to. And that's it. Your Presto card has been successfully added to your Apple Wallet, making travel faster and more convenient than ever.